Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my Smith & Wesson M&P 1522. It's a 22 caliber rifle or carbine in the style of an AR-15 M16 type rifle. And I've got a Crimson Trace red dot on it, but it's too low, so I bought some risers. It's a 3-pack with different heights. I think I'm going to use the 1-inch, and I'll put a link down in the comments for where I got it. And this is me. This should be pretty easy, just putting a riser on there, okay? It's called a Picatinny rail. This is a Picatinny riser. Okay, need 2 hands. Going to unscrew this. I don't know if the Allen's going to be the same on this mount and that. We'll see. There you go. It says MEIRUI Picatinny riser dot scope rings optic sights, and there's some information for you on it. All right, I'll put a link too. And it's really nice. They give you extra screws, extra Allens, because those things get lost, and everything was individually wrapped, and it looks pretty good. And the Allen is the same for what came with the Crimson Trace and this riser. I'll see if I get a number on the Allen. It looks to be a 3mm, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3.5 slots from the rear sight. It's got a flip up, flip down front and rear sights. One other thing I like is this is skeletonized, so you can see around it and everything. They don't all come that way. Some are solid here, and they might have a hole through the middle. And I guess you could put it either way. I've got a little swept back angle there on that centerpiece, but it could go either way. Depends on your preference. And that should do it. I'm going to put it up to my shoulder and see if I can look through it without bending my neck in too much of a contorted position. This is just a little keeper string that I put on there so I wouldn't lose this. Actually, if I take it and drop it down, it's really not going to go anywhere anyway. But if I did want to, I suppose I could take it off the top and restring this so that it would hang down the side. You really don't want too much stuff hanging around. I might cut that off. Well, as luck would have it, I can perfectly sight through the iron sights going through that hole right there where my finger is. How about that? Just lucky. I think I'm going to move this sling attachment point out one more. I've got kind of long arms, and I put this rear adjusting stock back all the way, and I should be ready to go. Anyway, look in the comments for a link. Give me a thumbs up if you if this helped you out. Subscribe if you want more videos from Froggy, and ring the bell if you want notifications. Okay? Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.